Okay, dreamers, since the baking class is over, I'll be giving you 10 more seconds to finalize your design. Turn it up and use your time wisely. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, thumbs up, dreamers. Put down all of your eyes. Please say hands up. Okay, hands up, everyone. Hands up. And give yourselves a round of applause for doing it. Alright, so good work, everyone. Listen up. All of your cookies are edible. You may eat them. You may also bring it outside of the kitchen together with your favorite towels. But please, do not forget to take off your aprons and kind of put it back on the golden handle. Ayun po. Take off your aprons and put it back on the handle. So thank you, guys. And don't forget to wash your hands again before leaving the kitchen. So once again, thank you and enjoy the rest of your stay here with us in your place. So thank you and goodbye. Thank you.
Lagayan natin yun.
Lagayan ka tayo. Kapit ko lang na natin lahat yung ano natin.
Video mo din. Paita mo din sa gawa mo. Pati ikaw, kuya ka. Hindi pa kasi tayo eh. Owen! Show it.
Actually.
Paita mo din.
And... Hindi, Owen yun.
Okay, thank you everyone. Meeting time for our next class.
Oh, kainin mo na.
All done na, diba?
Kain mo.